Have a look at this. Do you like what you just saw? Now, do you know that if you don't have up to 10 million NOTCOINs, you are just joking around? You need about 10,000 of 1,000 NOTCOINs to have 10 million NOTCOINs. You know, each cycle of the NOTCOIN mining has 1,000 NOTCOINs for each cycle, all right? So you need about 10,000 of each cycle to make 10 million NOTCOINs. Now, I'm going to be showing you a faster way to earn 10 million NOTCOINs within 1 week. So let's dive in without further ado. So you go over to Play Store, Google Play Store, if what you are using is Android, and you download this app, Auto Clicker, Automatic Tap. It has about more than 100 million downloads on Google Play Store. More than 100 million downloads, as you can see on your screen. So you will use it for mining your NOTCOIN. You know, instead of tapping on that NOTCOIN button where you are mining it, okay, you rather use this app to do so. Okay, so let me take you through the process of putting the settings in place. All right, so when you open the app, you click on OK. All right, then you turn it on. Just click on that button and turn it on. Okay, use Auto Clicker. Turn this button on. That's the only button you have to turn on. Click on Allow. Alright, so you now go back and click on Settings. For single target mode, not multi-target mode, single target mode, click on Settings. Then leave it. You know, it's already on run indefinitely. You have about 2 options. Okay, the first option there says run indefinitely. Leave it on run indefinitely, and then this anti-detection button, turn it on too. Okay, by clicking on the checkbox. So both should be turned on, run indefinitely and anti-detection button. Then after that, you now go back and click on the enable button for single target mode. Click on the enable button. Then something else will pop up on your screen. As you can see, this button at the middle, this blue circle like button. Okay, that's this very circle like button represents your finger. Okay, so now this is my Telegram app and this is my NOTCOIN. Okay, as you can see, I have about 99,000 NOTCOIN as my balance. So now I will proceed and click on the play button and then connect the auto clicker button to it. Okay, and it will start mining automatically. So just watch closely. So now you have to move this circle like blue button of the auto clicker app. All right, move it to the center, to the middle of the NOTCOIN button itself. Okay, I'm directing you with the arrows, as you can see on your screen. Move it to the middle. Okay, just as if you're using your finger to tap on the button like we normally do manually. All right, but in this case we're going to be automating it. So I have already moved it. The next thing is to click on that play button. Can you see the play button by your right hand side? That blue play button, you click on it. Once you click on it, then automatically it will start tapping on that NOTCOIN button. just like you do manually, but in this case it will be automated. Okay, as you can see on your screen. So the mining is ongoing automatically. Automated way of mining. There's no need stressing yourself over manually tapping on your screen, on your full screen, to mine your NOTCOIN. You can see how fast it is, right? So let me see if I can change the values, the milliseconds. We have 300 there. Let me change it to 3000 and see. Let's just see. I'm trying to make it faster. Okay, 3000 milliseconds is not that fast. Let me change it to, let's say, it says the time below 40 milliseconds can freeze your device. So let's leave it at 40 and click on save. Let's see what 40 has for us. Okay, 40 is fast, but I think 50 will be better. But let's just allow 40 milliseconds to run for now. How cool is this, guys? Pretty cool, right? So shortly I will be changing the milliseconds to, I will move the value to 50, from 40 to 50 milliseconds, and see how fast the mining process will be. Okay, so let me move it to 50 milliseconds. Click on save and click on the blue button, the play blue button. Click on it. So can you see? This is better than manually clicking or tapping on the button, right? So you can decide to mine overnight, and how you do that is, once you've clicked on the play button, just like the watch I have shown you guys on this very tutorial, you can just, if you do have constant electricity, you can just plug your phone. Okay, plug your phone to power, then just click on the play button and leave it to run overnight. All right, it will keep mining continuously, provided your power is intact. It will keep mining overnight. Okay, so let's just have a look. Let's see how far. So it was 99,000 initially, now it's over 100,000, right? 100,464 NOTCOINs. So let's still make progress. Let's make progress. So like I said, you can allow it to mine overnight, provided you have constant supply of power. Just plug in your phone, click on the play button, and it will keep mining continuously. Nothing will happen. Nothing will stop it. Okay, provided you've set it the way I just showed you guys in this tutorial. It will just keep mining continuously. The only thing that will be affected is your power. Okay, so your battery. So make sure you plug it to, you have a constant supply of electricity, and just mine overnight. Before you go to bed, plug your phone and just mine overnight. Okay, and by the time you wake up, you will be surprised to see how much NOTCOINs you have automatically mined. All right, $101,900, and so we are at 102,000 plus at the moment. 102,252. So you see this, the interface, the display just changed. From initially when I started, I was at the bronze level, but now I am at silver level, right? So this is how far you can go if you continuously mine using this auto clicker app. Okay, so just follow the settings I gave. It is recommended, I would recommend that you go with 50 milliseconds. When you download the app, what you will see there is 300 milliseconds. Okay, and you see we tried the 300, it wasn't so fast. We tried 3000. 3000 was even very low. All right, then we tried 40 milliseconds. It was a bit let's just say it was kind of freezing the device, let me just put it that way. But 50 milliseconds is better, so I would recommend that you go with 50 milliseconds. 50 milliseconds. Can you see what is going on here? That's how cool it is to mine automatically. Can you see? Just set it and leave it. Just set it and leave it. It will keep mining automatically. It will keep mining. This is better off than manually mining the NOTCOIN. Nothing comes close. So I'll be stopping at 105,000 plus. Once it is 105,000 plus NOTCOINs, I will stop. Okay, so I don't make the video too long. So can you see? Can you see how cool is this? How cool is this? Nothing comes close to this. Automate the way you mine your NOTCOIN. And every other form of mining you do in the crypto space that requires you to keep tapping on your screen, you can just automate that process with this auto clicker app. Okay, remember there are so many auto clicker apps on Google Play Store, so you are to go with the one with more than 100 million downloads, like this one I'm using. It has over 100 million downloads. All right, so that's the one you have to go with. Let's see our balance. Okay, at the moment you have 105,584 NOTCOINs. Remember, we started with 99,044 NOTCOINs.